We've been coming here for 40 years. When Dr. Sutton first opened this office, we've been here all that time.
At night I grind my teeth and I had just nubs basically. And Mr. Sutton, Dr. Sutton, he had a program about how to make my teeth longer, biomimetics, and it worked great.
I had to have a special root canal, and Dr. Sutton, the senior, sent me to Knoxville to a specialist. And then when I had to go back for my checkup, I came back here and he said, now next time this happens, you'll be treated here because we are getting certified in all those procedures. And that's what I like. I don't have to now go someplace else. Both Dr. Suttons have stayed up to, I say, par with the practice, so that we do not have to go to other specialists in this matter.
Newport Family Dental, I would highly recommend them. They're very well schooled, very high tech. It was like right away, you know, we need to put you guys on a program. This is what we recommend. You know, it was up to us. And just for that, you know, I think they're great.
And when they say family, that's what they mean. It is. It's family. Like when you walk through the door, you get greeted. You don't just have to go and sit down. They may be busy, but they always have the time to say hi or to smile at you. And when you go away, you feel like you have visited your family.